Second largest continent of world, Africa, is known for few of the very big rivers of world, namely River Nile, the lengthiest river of the world, along with Zambezi, which is considered to be one of the top 15 lengthy rivers of the world. Congo, which crosses equator twice, is also in the list, and not for the world, but River Niger in Western Africa, along with Orange Wall River in Southern Africa, to name some. This continent have come up in news again with African largest dam becoming operational, called Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. This dam became operational in September 2025. This dam, popularly called GERD, is located in Ethiopia on the right bank tributary of River Nile, that is called Blue Nile, right there at international border between Ethiopia and Sudan. This is the African largest hydroelectricity project and is having the feature of 145 meters of high main dam and 4.9 kilometers of saddle dam. Interestingly, this lengthiest river of the world, Nile, already incorporate one of the most conventional dam, which is Aswan High Dam, located in Egypt and is involving River Nile, the main river. Aswan High Dam have created Lake Nasir. Lake Nasir is designated to be one of the biggest man-made lakes of world, and it is facilitating favorable hydroelectricity generation and irrigation in this region. Along with River Nile, taming up of river Zambezi is also significant in this continent. And when I talk about Zambezi River, it incorporates few of the very important geographical dimensions to it. Let us take reference of that first. The Zambezi rises from Southern Democratic Republic of Congo in the plateau called Katanga, and from there it marks up its move via Angola to enter Central African Republic, then via Caprivi Strip. Caprivi Strip is designated to be the narrow northeastern extension of Namibian territory, which is cusp between Angola, Zambia, Botswana, and of course Zimbabwe. It is renamed as Zambezi region and is recognized with wildlife to the immense diversity being tropical zone. Zambezi River, just after Caprivi, Zambezi region, develops Victoria Falls and then have Lake Kariba with Kariba Dam. Kariba Dam is the third major dam in continent of Africa, which politically belongs to Zambia, Zimbabwe, and it is also correlated with one of the world's largest man-made lakes. Zambezi River is also tamed in its lower course, politically belonging to Mozambique, as Kohara Bassa Dam, which is the major electricity producer for Mozambique. Kohara Bassa Dam develops Kohara Bassa Lake, which is again one of the big lakes in this region. Towards western part of Africa, we have got two major dams and reservoirs that can be counted among the big for the continent. One being Kenji Reservoir, that is on River Niger in Nigeria, and other being Volta. Talking about them in details, we can justify that Kenji Dam Reservoir located in Nigeria and Volta River, Okosombo Dam in Ghana are the two dams reservoirs that have facilitated Western Africa, that is Upper Guinea region, identified to be arable, cultivable, and making food sufficient characteristics. Africa is also recognized with other major dams, specifically when I take up reference of Central Africa, where in Congo, River Congo, the river that crosses equator twice, as I said, Inca dams are important with power lines output that has been developed towards Nigeria, Egypt, and South Africa. Additionally, we have got Vaal. It is all River Vaal Vaal is a right bank tributary of Orange, and it is confined in South Africa and is major water storage infrastructure for this particular region. I will definitely try to add that South Africa is one independent country in Southern African region, and Southern Africa is the region that is comprised of 11 independent countries, and you must take that to your revision. When we talk about lakes and reservoirs, among the big lakes, man-made lakes, Lake Volta of Ghana, developed by Okosambo Dam, is the largest lake by surface area. Lake Kariba, that is related to Zambia, Zimbabwe, Kariba Dam, is the largest by volume. Lake Nasir, which is in Egypt, Sudan, created by Aswan High Dam, is the major water source of the desert. So three major water bodies, man-made, is right there in this continent. Beyond Africa, Bratsk Reservoir on Angara River and Kubashev Reservoir on Volga River, both in Russia, one is in Siberia, one is in Europe, are the important man-made lakes of the world. So for prelims, the points for us to remember is that Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is the second major dam on mighty river Nile. Unlike Aswan, it is on Blue Nile, that is the tributary, Aswan being on river Nile itself. Big lakes of the world, man-made, Lake Volta, Lake Kariba, Lake Nasir, right there in Africa.